English essay writing, topic saving birds. Every morning I wake up to the endless chirping of birds. There are sparrows, manas, parrots, all kinds of them. Their sound is so soothing, it gives an instant feeling of well being and warmth. But of late, the sweet sounds are rarely heard. I have to strain my ears to catch their chirpings. Alas, concretization and pollution have started leaving their marks, I guess. During and after festivals, the chirping and humming of birds almost stops. It's becoming a pattern now. And who is responsible for all this? Of course, we, us. Who else? Mindless felling of trees, polluted water, insane bursting of crackers, endless pollution, continuous honking. All these acts of ours and ours alone are responsible for the bird brigade to vanish. It's time we take stock of our actions and find ways to curb our atrocities caused on nature. It's only then that our little friends will have their homes back. It's not that only the birds need us, we need them too. Do you know? These beautiful and alert creatures are the first to feel the changes in climatic conditions. They are the first to warn us about any impending natural disasters. And that's not all. These birds love insects and worms. So with birds around, we will have less infestation of those icky, crawling, unwanting guests. And there is more. Without help of birds, some trees don't even pollinate. So, more birds, more trees, pleasing atmosphere. Now, that's a very straight equation. Time to save our little friends then, cause their safety is our safety too. Thank you.